Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to set up a company in Tally ERP 9. To begin, launch Tally ERP 9 on your system. From the Company Info menu, select Create Company to start the setup. It is crucial to accurately enter your company's name, full mailing address, and country. Then, specify the financial year beginning and books beginning dates. These initial steps are fundamental for establishing your company's presence within the software, ensuring all future transactions are correctly recorded from day one. Next, configure your company's detailed information. Provide essential contact details such as your phone number, email address, and website. For robust data security, enable the Tally Vault password, which encrypts your company data. Additionally, set up security control by creating distinct usernames and strong passwords for different access levels. Finally, choose your base currency symbol and its formal name, ensuring all financial transactions are recorded with the correct monetary representation. Now, let's enable the specific features your business requires. Press F11 to access the Features menu, where you can customize Tally ERP 9. Enable accounting, inventory, and statutory features according to your operational needs. For compliance, activate functionalities like goods and services tax, tax deducted at source, or tax collected at source. If you manage employees, configure payroll features for efficient salary processing and comprehensive employee management. Tailoring these settings ensures Tally perfectly supports your unique business operations. Finally, effective data management is crucial for long-term operational efficiency. Regularly back up your company data to a secure location, preventing any potential loss. Should a system issue arise, you can easily restore data from your reliable backups. Consider splitting company data as your business grows. This improves performance and simplifies management. Periodically verify your company data to check for integrity and correct any errors, ensuring your financial records remain accurate and reliable for all your business needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.